Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Destination Thailand visa yet again. I've discussed this visa at length in many other videos. It's notable that this is a major change with regard to immigration policy in Thailand, but that said, this quote-unquote policy change sort of remains to be seen and should not be viewed as a foregone conclusion. What am I talking about? I've discussed this in other videos. This visa, there's been a major PR blitz recently. This visa is a creation of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, if you will, but the Immigration Division, the Immigration Department, under the auspices of the Ministry of Interior, which deals with immigration internally, has yet to make any comment on this whatsoever. So take this video with some degree of skepticism regarding whether or not this visa is going to be as viable long-term as it is currently espoused. That being said, I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled "Foreigners and Thai Law, the Changing Pattaya Scenario." Quoting directly, the DTV, on the other hand, is mainly aimed at digital nomads working for overseas-based companies. The early signs are that the main market will be Americans and Europeans who are not tied down in their employment to an office or base. Interesting. Yeah, the DTV does have a number of flexibility options, or it claims to, as we've discussed again in other videos. It's not a foregone conclusion that this is all going to work out the way it's claimed right now. In fact, we're not really going to see where the rubber hits the road on this until Q1 of 2025, as this visa was only created in the summer of 2024, and the first opportunity we're going to have to see extension and or usage at a border for a border run, quote-unquote border run, that's not going to occur until 6 months after the first person who ever got the visa at the earliest, and that puts us right square in the middle of Q1 of 2025. So again, remains to be seen. That being said, I find it interesting that it seems to be that Europeans and Americans are concentrating on this type of visa. Probably makes sense in line with the fact of the changing sort of workspace, workplace rules, remote working, etc. That being said, again, be cautious with this specific type of visa because it remains to be seen how exactly it's going to operate, but we will certainly keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.